Good evening. I'm Denise Miller, and we're here to finally wrap up the word shalom that we've been looking at for the last week. When I started, we explained that shalom is really a Hebrew word, and we interpret it in English as being peace, but in the Hebrew it is significantly more than just peace. Shalom actually also has components that include peace, but that also include harmony, that include wholeness, that include tranquility, that include completeness, that include welfare and prosperity. Let's take a look at all of those little components, and they almost fit together like a house. And when you have all of those components to shalom, your life is significantly better. When you do have the peace, when you do have harmony, which means that all of the parts are in alignment and they're functioning together, when you do have wholeness, where there is nothing missing and everything is there and able to function, when you have completeness, which means that everything that needed to have been added has been added, when you have those things, you begin to have prosperity. And remember that prosperity is much more than money. Prosperity also has to do with the prospering of the soul. It has to do with the fact that your spirit is right, and so everything else fits together well. Also, welfare, which means security and freedom all at the same time, which is very interesting because you're able to be free when you are secure. And then you have tranquility. And tranquility is the kind of peace where everything is as smooth as glass. And everything can be as smooth as glass because of all of the other components where everything is fit together and everything aligns and there is safety and that you are prospering spiritually so that the rest of your life can prosper. Again, I wish you shalom. I wish you shalom for your life. It's a wonderful time for me to stop and ask the Lord that he would bless you and keep you and cause his face to shine upon you and be gracious to you, that he would lift up the light of his countenance upon you and give you shalom.